Hey, well, guess what? I changed the filters, the air cabin filters, and what a difference. Right now, it has been steady at 92, 93, 94, which based off this Atmotube air quality monitor that measures air quality real time, it's almost perfect air. And that's kind of what I expected from Tesla. So here's a recommendation. This car only has about 4,700 miles. It's a 2024 Model Y, and on the actual computer, when you go to service and you press on maintenance, it will actually on the cabin air filter. It recommended next year, 2026. And so, and here, I bought these filters on Amazon, and so I would just encourage you, if you have a Tesla Model Y or whatever type of Tesla you have, I wouldn't go by the recommendation here. I would actually replace them at least. I mean, if you care about your air quality right in your car. I mean, right now, I'm a new owner, and I've only had the car about 3 months. I tested the air quality, and now it's amazing. It's incredible. I mean, it's really good. So I would just say, look, if you haven't replaced your air filter replacements or your cabin air filters, I would encourage you to replace it. Mine wasn't recommended till a year from now, and I replaced it. Now perfect air. So Elon Musk, man, I want to say, man, you even thought about the air quality. So food for thought for Tesla owners. We'll see you.